Hi guys, today I just wanted to go over one more example that we didn't have a chance to do on Nearpod yesterday, and that is CD squared minus the absolute value of C minus D, given the values we are evaluating for C equals -4 and D equals -10. So what you should do is you should try to pause the video and try to do this on your own, and then play it to see what you're doing right and what you're doing wrong. Okay, so this is saying that the product, the multiplication of C times D, that answer is being squared. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let myself know that by putting big squared outside of parentheses, and inside C is -4 and D is -10. They're multiplying, so it's -4 times -10. Notice I'm switching to the dot. And the reason I'm switching to the dot for multiplication is because I have parentheses already, and I don't want to get confused with too many parentheses. So it's very important that you recognize that this is saying that the answer of -4 times -10 is being squared. That's why the parentheses are there. So this is really 40, positive 40 squared, which is 1600. And then as I move to the right, minus, I have the absolute value of C minus D. So C is -4 minus, and D is -10. So I put parentheses. Remember from yesterday that we have to simplify inside of the absolute value bars before we take the absolute value. So inside I have minus and negative, which turns into plus. So this is really minus the absolute value of -4 plus 10. -4 plus 10 is positive 6. So let me erase this. And this should be the absolute value of 6. And the absolute value of 6 is 6. So I have 1600 minus 6. And 1600 minus 6 is 1594. Okay, so there's just one more example to help you as you're working through your homework today. Use your notes also. Okay, thanks. Have a nice weekend.